Parts of human eyes. Brief explanation. Hello students. Welcome to Homework Minutes. Your eye is a slightly asymmetrical globe with a diameter of about an inch. The front section, what you see in the mirror, consists of the following. Iris, the colored ring-shaped membrane of the eye. Cornea, a transparent dome that covers the iris. Sclera, white outer area of the eye. Pupil, the iris's black circular opening that allows light inside. Except for the cornea, the conjunctiva is a thin layer of tissue covering the whole front of your eye. Location of lens. Just below the iris and pupil, and it helps concentrate light on the back of your eye. The vitreous. A translucent gel that fills the majority of the eye. The rear of your eye receives light that passes through your pupil and lens. The retina. A collection of unique light-sensing cells that cover the inside lining of the eye. The macula is a small extra-sensitive part of the retina that allows you to see clearly in the center of your vision. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description for details. For more, follow www.homeworkminutes.com.